Hello, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter from class 9th NCERT textbook, that is number system. First of all, we have to understand the meaning of number. What is mean by a number? Number means a word or symbol. A word or symbol which represents a specific value, for example 2, 3, 4, and it is a number which represent a specific value. Next, the definition of number system. What is mean by number system? Number system means the system of naming the system of naming or representing numbers. So number system means the system of naming or representing numbers. For example, the set of natural numbers represented by the symbol n. Dear students, in your earlier classes you have learnt about the number line and how to represent various type of numbers on it. In the right side of the number line we can see positive numbers. In the left side of the number lines we can see a negative numbers. If we start from 1 and keeps on going, it will not end, it will continue up to infinity. For that set of numbers we call as natural numbers. The natural numbers are represented by the symbol n. 1, 2, 3 up to. If we include 0 in natural numbers, for that we call as whole numbers represented by the symbol W. So whole numbers contains 0 and natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 up to so on up to infinity. Next, integers. If we include negative numbers along with the whole numbers, then we call it as integers. Integers means whole numbers first we have to write, and next negative number -1, -2, -3 up to so on. So these numbers are known as integers. Next, rational numbers. Rational numbers you already studied in your previous standard, that is the numbers which can be written in the form of p by q is known as rational numbers. We know that between any two integers there are so many rational numbers are present, that is 1/4, 1/2, sorry 1/4 and 1/2 comes between 0 and 1. 1/4, 1/2 comes between 0 and 1. Like that, between 2 and 3 there are so many rational numbers are present. Between 4 and 5 there are so many rational numbers are present. So rational numbers are represented by the symbol q, and the definition is the numbers which can be written in the form of p by q. Example 1/2, 5/2, 3/2, 0/4, -6/2, 9/3. Now we have to know about irrational numbers. Irrational numbers, example root 2, root 3, root 5 and pi. So these are irrational numbers are the numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q. Root 2, root 3, root 5 and pi we cannot able to write in the form of p by q. For such numbers we call as irrational numbers. So by including all these numbers, we call as real numbers. All these numbers constituently called as real numbers. So now observe here whole numbers. Whole numbers containing natural numbers with 0. Therefore, in whole numbers, natural numbers will come like that in integers. See here, natural numbers will come, whole numbers will come, and it includes negative numbers also. Therefore, integers contain whole numbers as well as natural numbers. Like that, rational numbers contains integers, whole numbers, natural numbers. See here, 2 is a natural number, 0 is a whole number, -6 is a integer. Therefore, Q contains integers, that is rational numbers contains set of integers, set of whole numbers, set of natural numbers. Like that, irrational numbers also contains natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers, because 2 is a natural number, 3 is a natural number, you can write root 0 like that. So in irrational numbers also contains all these set of numbers. By including all these numbers, we can call it as real numbers. In real numbers, natural numbers will come, integers will, whole numbers will come, integers will come, next rational numbers will come, irrational numbers will come. By including all these numbers we call as real numbers. I hope this video helpful for you. In order to get an update, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.